Question number 1. What is the maximum sensing distance of a typical inductive proximity switch? A. 1 cm, B. 10 centimeters, C. 100 centimeters, and D. 1000 centimeters. Correct answer is C. 100 centimeters. Question number 2. Which of the following factors can affect the accuracy of a proximity switch? A. Temperature, B. Humidity, C. Electrical interference, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 3. What is an important consideration when installing a proximity switch? A. The orientation of the switch, B. The color of the object being detected, C. The distance between the switch and the object, D. The temperature of the surrounding environment. Correct answer is A. The orientation of the switch. Question number 4. What is a common problem with inductive proximity switches? A. Limited sensing range, B. Difficulty sensing non-metallic objects, C. Electrical interference, D. Low durability. Correct answer is C. Electrical interference. Question number 5. How can the sensing range of a proximity switch be adjusted? A. By adjusting the voltage, B. By adjusting the frequency, C. By adjusting the threshold, D. By adjusting the sensitivity. Correct answer is D. By adjusting the sensitivity. Question number 6. What is a common installation problem with photoelectric proximity switches? A. Insufficient ambient light, B. Excessive ambient light, C. Incorrect object color, D. Incorrect object size. Correct answer is A. Insufficient ambient light. Question number 7. How can electrical interference be reduced in proximity switch installations? A. By shielding the sensor and cables, B. By increasing the sensitivity of the sensor, C. By using a different type of sensor, D. By increasing the ambient temperature. Correct answer is A. By shielding the sensor and cables. Question number 8. What is a common problem with ultrasonic proximity sensors? A. They have a limited sensing range, B. They are easily affected by ambient temperature, C. They can be affected by acoustic interference, D. They are unable to detect metallic objects. Correct answer is C. They can be affected by acoustic interference. Question number 9. What is a blind zone in proximity sensor installations? A. An area where the sensor cannot detect objects. B. An area where the sensor is too sensitive. C. An area where the sensor is too hot. D. An area where the sensor is too cold. Correct answer is A. An area where the sensor cannot detect objects. Question number 10. How can the sensitivity of proximity sensors be tested? A. By using a multimeter. B. By using a test object of known size and distance. C. By adjusting the voltage. D. By adjusting the frequency. Correct answer is D. By using a test object of known size and distance. Question number 11. What is a common installation problem with inductive proximity sensors? A. Incorrect sensing range. B. Incorrect orientation. C. Incorrect threshold. D. Incorrect voltage. Correct answer is B. Incorrect orientation. Question number 12. What should you do if a proximity switch is giving false readings? A. Adjust the threshold. B. Adjust the sensitivity. C. Clean the sensor. D. Replace the sensor. Correct answer is C. Clean the sensor. Question number 13. What should you do if a proximity switch is not detecting objects? A. Adjust the threshold. B. Adjust the sensitivity. C. Check the orientation of the sensor. D. Check the power supply to the sensor. Correct answer is C. Check the orientation of the sensor. Question number 14. What should you do if a proximity switch is damaged? A. Try to repair the sensor. B. Replace the sensor. C. Adjust the sensitivity. D. Adjust the threshold. Correct answer is B. Replace the sensor. Question number 15. What should you do if a proximity switch is giving inconsistent readings? A. Adjust the sensitivity. B. Adjust the threshold. C. Check the orientation of the sensor. D. Check the power supply to the sensor. Correct answer is A. Adjust the sensitivity. Question number 16. What is the purpose of a magnetic field test for a proximity switch? A. To check for magnetic interference. B. To check the sensitivity of the sensor. C. To check the orientation of the sensor. D. To check the threshold of the sensor. Correct answer is A. To check for magnetic interference. Question number 17. What is the recommended distance between a proximity switch and the object it is sensing? A. 1 mm, B. 5 mm, C. 10 mm, D. 15 mm. Correct answer is C. 10 mm. Question number 18. What is the purpose of a flash-mounted proximity switch? A. To detect objects at a distance. B. To detect objects in a tight space. C. To detect metallic objects. D. To detect non-metallic objects. Correct answer is B. To detect objects in a tight space. Question number 19. What is the purpose of a non-flush mounted proximity switch? A. To detect objects at a distance. B. To detect objects in a tight space. C. To detect metallic objects. D. To detect non-metallic objects. Correct answer is A. To detect objects at a distance. Question number 20. What is the recommended cable length for a proximity switch? A. 1 meter, B. 3 meters, C. 5 meters, D. 10 meters. Correct answer is C. 5 meters. Question number 21. How do you test a proximity switch with a multimeter? A. Set the multimeter to resistance mode and check the continuity of the sensor. B. Set the multimeter to voltage mode and check the voltage output of the sensor. C. Set the multimeter to current mode and check the current flow through the sensor. D. Set the multimeter to frequency mode and check the frequency of the sensor output. Correct answer is A. Set the multimeter to resistance mode and check the continuity of the sensor. Question number 22. What is the best way to mount a proximity switch? A. Mount the sensor perpendicular to the target object. B. Mount the sensor parallel to the target object. C. Mount the sensor at a 45-degree angle to the target object. D. Mount the sensor at a 90-degree angle to the target object. Correct answer is A. Mount the sensor perpendicular to the target object. Question number 23. What is the difference between a NO and NC proximity switches? A. The threshold for detecting object is different. B. The sensitivity of the sensor is different. C. The orientation of the sensor is different. D. The state of the output when no object is detected is different. Correct answer is D. The state of the output when no object is detected is different. Question number 24. What is the maximum switching frequency of a proximity switch? A. 10 Hz, B. 100 Hz, C. 1 kHz, or D. 10 kHz. Correct answer is D. 10 kHz. Question number 25. What is the difference between an inductive proximity switch and a capacitive proximity switch? A. Inductive sensors can detect only metallic objects, while capacitive sensors can detect non-metallic objects as well. B. Inductive sensors are more sensitive than capacitive sensors. C. Capacitive sensors can detect objects at a greater distance than inductive sensors. D. Capacitive sensors are less affected by environmental factors such as temperature and humidity than inductive sensors. Correct answer is A. Inductive sensors can detect only metallic objects, while capacitive sensors can detect non-metallic objects as well. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Automation Academy, and comment down below, and don't forget to share the love. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.